Cape, Cheshire. Filmed on June the 29th, 2008. While innocently filming a plane, an unknown disc-shaped craft appears in the skies above the town Elworth. Although multiple witnesses report the sighting to the authorities, no record can be found. Southern England, June 1976. During the filming of the first ever commercial flight of a British Airways Concorde, a small spherical object appears in shot. The craft curiously investigates the Concorde, then disappears into the sky at an incredible speed. Here we look at the original footage. The Kodak company analyzed the footage, claiming the anomaly was due to a flare of the camera. Yet, no video analysis or evidence to disprove this footage has ever been disclosed to the public. Birmingham, April the 10th, 2010. An unidentified object is seen and captured on film by a passing motorist. Shortly after, what look to be military-owned jets arrive in the scene.
Evet, göstermeye çalışıyorum. Daha yakından görebilmeniz için biraz yakınlaştırdım. Evet. 28 Kasım 2016 tarih. Pazar gecesi saat 2:20 suları şu anda. Saat 2:20. Görmüş olduğunuz cisim Esenler semalarında. Kayıt altına alıyorum şu anda. Benim gibi birçok vatandaş şu anda burada birikti. Yetkililere durumu aktardık. Evet, şöyle biraz daha yakından göstermeye çalışacağım. Yetkililere durumu aktardık. Onlar da ilgilendiklerini söylediler. Sarı renkli bir cisim. Biz UFO olduğundan şüpheleniyoruz. Etrafına ışıklar saçıyor ve hareket halinde. Şu an sabit bir vaziyette duruyor tabi. Zaman zaman hareket ediyor. Pozisyonunu değiştiriyor.
Allah Allah. İnternete yazmışlar yeni Bosna patlama oldu diye.
Ben sana ne dedim abi?
Çağrı
Ananı sikeyim. Ananın amına koyayım, o ne? Allah'ım yardım et.
camlar patladı ya. Evet.
Check this out. Holy. What the fuck is that? Oh my goodness. What the hell? Flipping out, dude. goodness. What the hell? I'm flipping out, dude. Oh my goodness. What the What the fuck is that?
Да, что это?
Three, two, one, ignition and liftoff of the Atlas V with Juno on a trek to Jupiter, a planetary piece of the puzzle on the beginning of our solar system.
Our roll program is in progress. Vehicle body rates look good. Booster PU has gone to fixed angle, surely confirmed. SRB chamber pressures have plateaued. I'm rolling off. Signatures look good. RD-180 operation looks excellent at this point in the flight. Mach 1, looking for SRB burnout soon. Chamber pressures have plateaued on the SRBs. And we're beginning to roll off. And BOTA has been satisfied. Vehicle is starting back up to full thrust. And we have solids 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 jettisoned. Visual indication that all solids have separated well.
Jaw-dropping photos taken above CERN's Large Hadron Collider lead to wild new conspiracy theories and prove portals are opening. The images were taken as scientists began a new experiment called AWAKE to change the way particles are smashed together. These incredible photos taken above CERN's Large Hadron Collider, LHC, have provoked dramatic conspiracy theories and stoked fears that new portals are being opened. The images were apparently taken on June 24, the same day CERN scientists began the new AWAKE experiment to change the way it smashes particles together. The film in question, What Portal Did CERN Open Now? Strange clouds hover above the LHC, raises major concerns about what the LHC is being used for. The narrator asks viewers, how much energy did CERN pull into itself? Is this why the weather is so crazy all over the planet? There are many other colliders all over the world. He said, it is not a background you can get on Google. It is an actual picture taken on June 24, 2016. It is directly over CERN, and the cloud formation is very interesting. The energy that is being produced, you can actually see that minus the lightning strikes. The video showed the CERN schedule for the LCH, which included an experiment called AWAKE, due to commence on June 24. The narrator adds, is it a coincidence they had just started the AWAKE experiment? This insane ball of energy was directly over the LHC. Some people reported seeing faces in it. It is amazing they keep messing with nature and denying it. What is in the cloud? Some say it is lightning or a massive ball of energy. The amount of energy pulling from nature into the collider itself, you can actually see it. What portals are doors being opened in this cloud? Other theorists suggest CERN is being used as a portal to allow Satan to return to Earth. The LHC, near Geneva, Switzerland, is the world's largest particle collider and the largest single machine in the world. It was built between 1998 and 2008 and allows physicists to test various theories. The LHC is the world's largest and most powerful machine and is actually used to collide particles at close to the speed of light in a bid to discover more about physics and the possibility of parallel universes. CERN, of course, denies trying to change our weather, but it has carried out experiments to create artificial clouds to better understand global warming, which fuels the conspiracies. The official line on what the AWAKE experiments are about is to develop a new type of accelerator to cut the size of the huge particle physics experiments down by a factor of 100 or more so they can be carried out on tabletops. The AWAKE experiment, also known as the Proton-Driven Plasma Wake Field Acceleration Experiment, will use a whole new method that will get particles going much faster in a shorter amount of time. Results are not expected until 2018.
Agora sim. Que lindo! Olha meus amigos me visitando. Meus amigos me visitando. Olha que lindo e grande que ele é, Renata.
É?
Puxa vida.
Tá vendo outro aqui.
Lindo e grande. Tá vindo outro?
Tá, deixa ele aparecer mais.
Olha que lindo e grande que ele é.
Não, esse tá
Que lindo e grande que ele é.
teenager has filmed a meteorite burning across the sky shortly after the Japanese earthquake struck. The teen, known as Ashoka, 16, from Japan, filmed the extraordinary sight trailing across the morning sky after earthquake. A rough translation of her tweet accompanying the video says, "A movie I took while preparing to die. Thought that it was a meteorite because there was an earthquake earlier. It is not a meteorite." The video emerged as the country absorbed the 7.3 magnitude earthquake that has shaken Tokyo after striking off the coast of Japan. Early reports said a tsunami warning had been issued after the incident off the coast of Fukushima, the site of the recent nuclear catastrophe. United States Geological Survey, USGS, reported that the quake hit Nami, Futerba District, Fukushima. The quake hit 67 kilometers northeast of Iwaki, south of the Hamadry coastal region of Fukushima, Japan. The Japan Meteorological Agency has issued tsunami advisories for much of the nation's northern Pacific coast.